Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're at Baddo Bay on the central coast of New South Wales. And we're going to put the drone up and have a close look at Blue Lagoon Beach Resort Holiday Park. It's a couple of days before the school holidays, so the park is emptied out so we can get a good look at what it looks like. Looks good, doesn't it? Right on the beach. Beautiful. At one end you have the caravans, and at the other end you have a lot of the holiday cabins. Okay, let's fly around towards Baddo Bay Beach and have a look there. Now the tide is quite high today, but normally when it's low you can walk right around that beach area there, right around the point, along Baddo Bay Beach, and then up the other side, and either continue on to the Cracked Neck Point Lookout, which is right in front of us there, or return back along the bush track to the Blue Lagoon Beach Resort. Over there at the Cracked Neck Point Lookout is a great place for watching the whales, and sometimes they have the paragliders or hang gliders launch from there. And there's Baddo Bay Beach. Beautiful, isn't it? Protected little bay. Alright, now let's fly over the holiday park and have a closer look. There's a few cabins just on the end there in the corner. One of the amenities block just there on the left hand side. Then you have the swimming pool area and a kids playground just behind that, and then a whole bunch of new cabins that have been put right on the beachfront over the last few years. You might see that crane there. They're putting some new stairs in there that go all the way up to the bush track at the top. And now we'll head along towards the entrance. That's the Shelley Beach Surf Lifesaving Club just there in front of us. Up in the distance, the beach just before the point would be North Shelley Beach, and then you go around to Tawoon Bay Beach, and then on to the entrance. That's the Shelley Beach Golf Club. Great golf course and club. Quite often we'll have music there on the weekends, and in particular Sunday afternoon. That's the Shelley Beach Caravan Park, hidden in amongst the trees. See the work happening down there, putting in the new stairs. And it looks like they're going to put a few new cabins in down there too, doesn't it? Now this is our go-to caravan park for our shakedown trips. It's not too far from home. We come and spend a couple of days here before we go on longer trips, just to make sure everything's working and everything's good. Let's head out towards sea. Might see some whales. There's a few around at the moment. Not too much out there today, I don't think. Those houses just behind the tree line there, that's East Baddow Bay. And there's a shopping centre just a couple of kilometres down the road. Okay. Let's take one last look, shall we? And there you have it. Blue Lagoon Beach Resort Holiday Park. Sensational spot right on the beach. Great walks and great area. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed that, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheerio.